Good morning students. In the previous video lecture we had studied inversion method. Now we will study reduction method. How to solve the equations by using reduction method. Now see the first example, 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 3. So this is the first example. We have to solve this by reduction method. So first of all we will write in the matrix form 2 1 3 5, then xy, and then 5 minus 3. Now this is of the form ax equal to b, where a is equal to 2 1 3 5, x is equal to xy, and b is equal to 5 minus 3. Now for finding value of x and y in reduction method, now this is ax equal to b, so we'll write a is 2 1 3 5 xy and 5 minus 3. So here we'll make any one variable as 0 and we'll get the value. Now suppose here 5 is there, so in R2 we'll subtract 5 times R1. So R2 minus 5 times R1. So R1's remains same. This is 2 1. Now this is 3 minus 5 times R1. This is 5 minus 5 times R1. Now x and y as it is. This is 5 as it is. And then minus 3 minus 5 times 5. So this is 2. This is 3 minus 10 means minus 7. 1 5 minus 5 means 0. xy. And this is 5. 5 5 is 25. Minus 25 minus 3 means minus 28. Now here we'll got y variable as 0. So we'll write the equations 2x plus y is equal to 5. And second one is minus 7x is equal to minus 28. So minus minus cancel. X is equal to 28 by 7. So x is equal to 4. And then 2x plus y is equal to 5. So 2 into 4 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 8 means y is equal to minus 3. So this is the method of reduction for finding value of x and y. Now we will see the second example. Now second example, again we will write this in the form of matrix. So this is 1 3 3 5 xy and 2 4. Now this is of the form ax equal to b, where a is equal to this, x is equal to xy, and b is equal to 2 4. Now here already 1 is there, so from R2 if we'll subtract 3 times R1 we'll get 0 over here, and then x coordinate is 0, so we'll get value of y. So R2 minus 3 times R1, so R1 remains same. R2 minus 3 times R1. So R2 is 3 minus 3 times R1 means 1. Then R2 is 5 minus 3 times R1 means 3. xy, R1 remains same. R2 minus 3 times R1. So this is 1 3. 3 minus 3 means 0. 5 minus 9 means minus 4. This is xy. 2. 4 minus 6 means minus 2. Now here 0, so we'll write equations x plus 3y is equal to 2 and minus 4y is minus 2. So minus minus sign cancel, y is equal to 2 by 4. So y is equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute this value of y in this equation. So x plus 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 minus, this is 3 by 2. Now we'll take 1 over here and cross multiplication. So 2 2 is 4 minus 3 upon 2. So 1 by 2. So x is also 1 by 2. So this is the reduction method. Now we will see the third example. This is the third example. 3x minus y equal to 1, 4x plus y equal to 6. So matrix form. Now a is equal to this, b and x. Now here minus 1 and 1. So add R2 in R1 or R1 in R2. So if we'll take R2 plus R1. So R2 plus R1 means R1 remains same, and this is R2 plus R1, R2 plus R1. Now this is xy, then 1, R2 plus R1. So this 3 minus 1, 7, 1 minus 1, 0, xy, 1, 7. Now again one variable is 0, so we'll write equation 3x minus y is equal to 1 and 7x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 by 7 means x is equal to 1. Now substitute this x equal to 1 in this equation. 3 into 1 minus y is equal to 1. So 3 minus y equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is the answer of this equation. Now this is the last example by reduction method. So 5x plus 2y equal to 4, 7x plus 3y equal to 5. So we'll write matrix form where A is this, B is this and x. So x is equal to B. So this is the matrix form. Now here we'll make this as 1, R2. So means R2 minus R1 if we'll do. So 5, 2. R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1. Now this is xy is equal to 4, R2 minus R1. Now this is 5, 2. This is 7 minus 5 means 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And this is xy. This is 4 and this is 1. Now we'll make this as 0 or this as 0. So R1 minus 2 times R2. So R1 minus 2 times R2. R1 minus 2 times R2. This is 2, this is 1. xy is equal to R1 minus 2 times R2. This is R2. So we'll write 5u minus 4 means 1. 2 minus 2 means 0. This is 2, 1. xy. 4 minus 2 means 2, 1. Now we'll got one variable 0. So therefore x is equal to 2 and 2x plus y is equal to 1. So 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 minus 4. So y is equal to minus 3. So therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So these are the values for x and y by reduction method. Now in the next video lecture we will see the word problem.